This one is a operator in a powder suit, no respirator. He's got oven gloves on. There are times when our operators are moving carts in and out of the oven. Extremely important that we're wearing gloves when we do that. Even though that the cart is cool itself, the oven is up at full temperature. If you trip in the oven and fall, put your hand out up against the side of the oven, you're instantly going to burn it. Anytime you're going into the oven, make sure that you have really good high quality gloves that can handle heat. Like a welding glove is a really good place to start for something like that. Another thing, when we're getting ready to pull parts into the oven or just before, we're checking the TDS of the powder. What is that? The technical data sheet of the powder. Every powder has one. One of the main things is it tells you the time and the temperature that the powder needs to be cured at. I understand that it's not necessarily realistic every time you're getting ready to pull a cart into the oven for somebody to go pull out a paper TDS or go look it up on the computer. So when we get boxes of powder received in that we've ordered, we look at the data sheet and then we write the time and temperature on the box. And then when an operator is getting ready to pull parts into the oven, they can adjust the temperature of the oven and set the timer accordingly. So that way we are curing powder at the right temperature in the right amount of time.